Morning students. In the previous lecture we have done about preparation and purification of colloids. Now today we will study about properties of colloids. The first property is colligative properties. You know we have four colligative properties: elevation in boiling point, depression in freezing point, relative lowering of vapor pressure and osmotic pressure. As you know, colloidal particles being bigger aggregates. If association occurs means the number of particles becomes smaller. So number of particles in a colloidal solution is comparatively small as compared to true solution. So in case of colloidal particles, the colligative properties are of small order as compared to the value for their solution at same concentration. Now the second one is Tyndall effect. If a homogeneous solution placed in a dark is observed in the direction of light, it appears clear. If observed from a direction at right angles to the direction of light, it appears dark. What is Tyndall effect? It is scattering of light when the light is passed through colloidal particles. Now third property is color. The color of the colloidal solution depends on the wavelength of light scattered by the dispersed particles. These are the small properties. Next property is Brownian movement. Brownian movement is continuous zigzag motion of colloidal particles, and it depends on the size of particles and viscosity of solution and is independent of nature of colloid. You know, smaller the size, less is the viscosity and faster is the Brownian movement, means faster is the motion. Now the next is charge on colloidal particle. Colloidal particle carry charge. You might have studied about electrophoresis also. The positively charged particles moved on a positive charged electrodes. We have positive charged soles and negative charged soles. Positive charged soles is hydrated metallic oxides. Negative charged soles metals like copper, silver, gold. Hydrated metallic oxides Al2O3.XH2O, CrO3.XH2O. Now the second example is basic dye stuff like methylene blue, and in negatively charged soles acidic dye stuff like Kango red soles. Number 3 is hemoglobin present in the blood, and negatively charged sole metallic sulfides like As2S3 CDS soles, cadmium sulfide soles. Now the reason for charge on sole particles. First one is due to electron capture by sole particles, and the second one is adsorption of ions, common ions, and this is due to the formation of electrical double layer. We will study it in detail, electrical double layer, in the next lecture. These are the four properties. We have discussed 5 properties. We will discuss the rest property in the next lecture.